Today we're going to talk about your personal rights. Who knows what a right is? Yes, ma'am.
When you have you can do it without someone telling you can't.
That is an excellent definition of a right. It's the best definition I've ever heard from a student, ever. Something that you are allowed to have or do without anybody's permission. You are entitled to it. So I'm going to say them and you're going to repeat it. Yes? Mm-hmm. Yes? Okay. Yeah. You have the right to be treated with dignity and respect.
I have the right to be treated with dignity and respect.
You have the right to be safe.
I have the right to be safe.
Emotionally.
Physically.
Mentally. And spiritually. You have the right to independence.
I have the right to independence.
You have the right to say no.
I have the right to say no.
You have the right to express yourself.
I have the right to express myself.
Respectfully.
I
have the right to personal relationships.
I have the right to personal relationships.
You have the right to identity.
I have the right to identity.
The right to humanity.
I have the right to humanity.
I have the right to self-management.
I have the right to self-management.
I have the right to self-care.
I have the right to self-care.